Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinkos channel. In today's video I will show you how to check if something is downloading in the background on your Windows PC. And now let's get started. To determine if there are any background downloads occurring on your Windows computer, you can utilize the Task Manager. Begin by searching for Task Manager in the Windows search bar, and then open it. Within the Task Manager window you will find a list of background processes. This section displays what is currently downloading. When something is downloading, it will typically impact your network usage. You can sort the processes by network activity by clicking on the Network column. This will arrange everything in order, showing you what is actively downloading. Alternatively, background downloads might also consume system memory. In such cases, select the Memory column to sort processes by their memory usage. This will help you identify what applications or processes are utilizing your system's memory, which can indicate ongoing downloads from the internet, through the network, or from other sources requiring memory. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.